Hi, I'm Mike Walsh, Director of Product Management here at Fastlane US. Just want to take a quick minute to invite all of you to our half-day Azure DevOps Immersion workshop. That'll be held on Thursday, June 28th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. DevOps, as you may know, is the union of people, processes, and products to enable continuous delivery of value to end users. During the half-day workshop, we'll cover DevOps primarily from a Microsoft Azure perspective and for the following topics: introduction to DevOps practices, continuous integration and continuous deployment, DevOps testing, and finally, application monitoring and feedback loops. Check out our workshop description online for all the great details. This 3-day workshop is perfect for IT professionals who are responsible for deploying and maintaining code in an efficient, dependable manner through the adoption of DevOps. But really, everyone is welcome. Please join us. As an additional bonus, 10 lucky registrants will win a free 3-day DevOps workshop, which is a perfect follow-on course to the Immersion workshop. We look forward to seeing you there.